Hello. Today we're talking about not cleaning up before you start the FlyLady system. Now, does that sound crazy? I know it does, but here's what I mean. Some people think, I'm going to start the FlyLady system. I'm so excited. It's such a great plan. It makes so much sense. But before I do that, I'm going to clean all this stuff up. I'm going to work for 6 hours, 3 days in a row, and I'm going to get it all done so that I can implement the FlyLady system. That is the opposite of what I want you to do. I don't ever want you to do that. Number one, it's exhausting. Number two, you don't learn anything. And number three, you always will rebound back to your previous system, which is, I'm tired, I don't care, who cares, right? So what I want you to do is start following the routines first. Once you get the routines down, then you start doing the basic weekly plan. Once you get the basic weekly plan down, then you add in the zones. It's like spinning plates. The routines, the basic weekly plan. Now you got 2 plates spinning, and then the third is the zones. Okay, and they're only 15 minutes. Follow the plan. The plan works. It does not work overnight. You didn't get in this shape overnight, and you're trying to develop a long-term set of habits so that this doesn't happen again. Have a wonderful day.